In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design a custom AI voice, fine-tune a few key settings, save it with clear labels, and find it later in your library without any confusion. Start by opening the ElevenLabs homepage in your browser. Once the app loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and head into the Voices section. This is your hub for everything related to voice creation and management. Inside, you'll see options to browse voices, manage your own, and, most importantly for today, create something new. Go ahead and choose Create Voice to begin the setup process. On the creation screen, select Voice Design. This path lets you craft a voice from a text description, which is perfect if you have a sound in mind but don't have audio samples. You'll notice a prompt field. Type a concise, descriptive prompt that paints a clear picture of the voice you want. Think in terms of tone, mood, and use case. For example, you might describe a warm, friendly narrator with a calm pace for tutorials, or a confident, energetic voice suitable for product demos. The more specific you are about qualities like warmth, clarity, pacing, or formality, the better ElevenLabs will be able to match your intent. Next, choose the kind of voice you want using the available selectors. This is where you align high-level traits, such as overall style or vibe, to the prompt you wrote. Make sure your choices reinforce the same direction. If your prompt asks for a relaxed storyteller, keep the style and character options in that lane to avoid mixed signals. From here, open settings to refine the output. One important control is loudness. Set loudness to low. This gives you a cleaner baseline, reduces the chance of harshness or clipping in the audio, and leaves you room to add volume later in your editing or mixing tool. Low loudness is especially helpful if you plan to place the voice over music or sound effects, because it preserves dynamics and keeps the voice from competing too aggressively. With your design and loudness chosen, generate a preview by selecting Generate Voice. The system will process your input and produce a sample you can listen to. Take a moment to evaluate how closely it matches your intent. Listen for clarity, pacing, and emotional tone. If the personality is right but the presence feels too strong in your mix, remember that you set loudness to low on purpose. You can always raise final output volume externally. If needed, you can tweak your prompt or kind choices before committing, but for now, let's proceed. When you're happy with the preview, click Select Voice to confirm this design as your chosen voice. This locks in the version you just generated so you can move on to organizing it within your library. Give your new voice a clear, memorable name. Choose something that instantly tells you what the voice is for, like a project name and purpose combined. Then assign a label to help with filtering later. Labels act like categories or tags, so pick one that reflects the use case, tone, or department that will use it. After selecting the label, choose the corresponding value. Think of the value as the specific tag within that label category, like identifying it as tutorial, ad, explainer, or another term that matches how you'll deploy this voice. Add a short description to capture the intent behind the design. This is the place to summarize the qualities you requested and any context others should know, such as ideal pacing, energy level, or scenarios where this voice shines. A good description saves time when you or your teammates return to the library later. Now click Save Voice. Your custom voice is added to your account with the name, label, value, and description you set, making it easy to locate and reuse. Finally, head to My Voices. You'll see your newly created voice listed there, ready for testing, iteration, and production use. From this library, you can quickly select it for future projects, keep versions organized, and maintain a consistent sound across your content. That's it. You've navigated to Voices, designed your sound with a clear prompt, set loudness to low for a clean baseline, generated and selected the preview, named and labeled it for organization, saved it, and confirmed it's accessible under My Voices. You're ready to create polished, consistent narration whenever you need it.